Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're blending a little bit of everyday magic with some real hands-on science. We're going to walk through a tutorial for a completely safe experiment, and it's an absolute classic, creating your very own invisible ink. So, let's just dive right in. So, do you want to learn how to send a secret, invisible message? I mean, come on, we've all imagined operating like a top secret agent at some point, right? But the best part is, this isn't just movie magic. It's actually a super achievable process. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to craft a covert message of your own. It sets up this truly fun, kind of mysterious experience for anyone trying it. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that the barrier to entry is literally so low. You can completely forget about complex lab equipment or, those massive cleanups that usually come with science projects. All you need is about 15 minutes, half a lemon squeezed into a cup, a simple cotton swab or a thin paintbrush, some regular white paper, and a sunny window. That's the whole shebang. It's an incredibly clean, accessible setup, which makes it an absolutely perfect quick project if you want to explore some practical science without any of the hassle. Okay, so the process itself takes just 4 super simple steps. First, you squeeze your lemon juice into a cup. Then, dip your swab in and just paint your message right onto that crisp white paper. Now here is where the suspense really begins. You actually have to sit back and wait for the paper to dry completely. And as it does, something fascinating happens. Those shiny, wet letters, they just slowly fade away into a perfectly blank page. Your secret is now fully, completely hidden. To reveal it, you simply place the paper in warm sunlight. And here is where the real payoff happens. As that seemingly blank paper sits in the sunlight and warms up, your hidden message doesn't just, instantly pop onto the page. No. Instead, it slowly begins to turn this light brown color. It's honestly a lot like watching a photograph develop in an old-school darkroom. The letters just emerge from out of nowhere, becoming darker and more readable by the minute. That warm sunlight is acting as the natural magic ingredient, the catalyst, to bring your invisible words right back into the visible world. Okay, let's dive into this, because at the end of the day, this isn't magic at all, it's chemistry, and the science behind it is pretty fascinating. To understand exactly why your message disappeared and then reappeared, we have to look at the properties of our ink. Lemon juice is actually a weak acid. When you write your message, that acidic liquid soaks deep into the fibers of the paper, and as it sits there, it slightly weakens the material of the paper in those exact spots. So even when it dries up and becomes totally invisible to the naked eye, the actual physical makeup of the paper has been permanently altered by the acid. How cool is that? So, the really crucial point here is how that weakened paper reacts to heat. Imagine a tiny thermal race happening right there on your sheet of paper. The heat from the sun acts as the starting gun, right? Both parts of the paper, the clean parts and the inky parts, feel the heat. But because the lemon juice areas have been structurally weakened by the acid, they're way more sensitive. So they sprint ahead. They change color and turn brown much, much faster than the intact, clean paper around them. That difference in oxidation speed, who wins the race, is exactly why your secret writing appears perfectly, while the rest of the page safely stays crisp and white. Which actually brings us to an absolutely crucial benefit of this specific method. Look at this quote right here. No flame needed, sunlight or a warm room does the job safely. Historically, a lot of old invisible ink tricks required holding the paper over a hot light bulb or even an open candle flame, which, let's be real, carries some obvious fire risks. By utilizing gentle, natural heat instead, we literally eliminate that danger entirely. It guarantees a perfectly safe environment to explore this chemical reaction without any worry at all. A true tutorial for a safe experiment. So we've covered the simple setup, the completely safe execution, and the hidden chemistry of weak acids reacting to heat. The only thing left to figure out is this: what secret message will you write first? Will it be a hidden code for a friend? Or, I don't know, maybe a secret map to a hidden treasure? Grab a lemon, find a sunny window, and test this out for yourself. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Now go out there and start writing those invisible secrets.